Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. On Tips and Techniques Tuesday, I showed you how to color on basic black, how to stamp and color on basic black, and today on There's a Card Thursday, we're going to make a card with this, okay? So let me bring you up. I'll show you a card I've already made, but this isn't the one we're going to make. But this is it. I've used what I stamped on and then just a layered background, and then I did embossing on the cardstock. So what we're going to need is, I used Art Gallery for the saying and the thing and the flower. I used the Craft Whisper White, and I used our watercolor pencils. Now you can use any colored pencils if you want. Make sure they're the good ones, not like the cheap Dollar Tree, because they don't really do well. Then what I did was I just colored them in. This is 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. So we're going to use, and that's basic black. I'm going to use a 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 piece of cinnamon cider and a 4 1/2 by 3 1/2 piece of Flirty Flamingo. I am going to use some glue dots. I am also going to use Tasteful Textures embossing folder. And I think that's just about it. I mean, this is going to be a short one because we already colored this in with the colored pencils. Here's one that I'm going to be doing soon again, but it's fairly easy. You just stamp in Whisper White, dry it either with a heat tool or just set it aside to dry, and then you color it with the Stampin' Right or the watercolor pencils or the blends. The blends aren't as good as the pencils. I like the pencils. Now all I'm going to do is I cut this down and I'm just going to put it on the Flirty Flamingo. I mean, this is really a very basic, simple stamping card, other than the doing it. People are really scared to use basic black as a center point. Now, I've already run this through the Stamp, Cut, and Emboss machine with the Tasteful Textile embossing folder. And then all I'm going to do, now you could spruce this up by putting a little ribbon over here, or maybe coloring some rhinestones and putting it on. But just like that is a quick, easy thinking of you. And I love in the Art Gallery, I miss you, happy birthday, congratulations, good luck, sorry, thank you, best wishes, you are lovely, I'm thinking of you. Covers everything. And there you go. If you enjoy my videos, please purchase your Stampin' Up products from me. I'm a small business and I really need your help to maintain my business. You can follow me on YouTube, and everything you need for this is listed below, along with how to purchase from me. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.